And a good morning. This is Dr. Lieven speaking to you from Vila Moura in Portugal. The heat is heating up. It is hot summertime. I want to keep this message. This is unprepared. This is raw. I don't have any script. But last night a good friend of mine contacted me. I only hooked up with him this morning, and I liked what he proposed because probably all of you know I'm not looking for other programs. Good God, do we need more programs, right? Unless a program has some ingredients that should be part of a program. I'm going to break this down very, very raw, very simple. This is a company-forced matrix. It is a 2x5. And it is based on advertising. It is actually doing what Banner's broker pretended to do but never delivered, and obviously was extremely badly run. Here I've met just in the past hour with the two owners behind it, Billy and Richmond. Billy and Richmond, they knew of me and they have followed me as well in some of the endeavors that I've done on the internet, and I've come to know them now up close and personal. And Frank was the person who introduced me. Guess what? This program is coming out with one link. This program, everybody will be promoting that one link. The program is only $50 and you get a bunch of quality advertising, banner, text and video advertising that you're gonna get for that $50. And then you end up making, I don't know what the numbers are, but several thousands of dollars that you're gonna end up getting in return as the system propels forward. So on passive is Ash's program is a forced matrix, so you know a thing about that. But here there is a difference. It's a straight liner, therefore everybody gets placed under everybody, and that makes it very unique, especially if the people at the top are people of integrity, of principle, and of efficiency, and I recognize the qualities there. So I'm gonna be setting up a Telegram group just for that project. Come join me there. If you know ahead of time that you're not gonna allocate $50, don't even bother. I mean, we need to be serious. This is for people who by the way, this program will enable people who cannot sponsor to make money. Okay, I hope you heard that. So can you do this passively? Yes. At the same time, is this a program to be able to share with people who also want to be able to share a passive program with others? Yes, I believe we have that ingredient all put together here. So you're going to be getting details. I'll bring in the owners in the Telegram group, and so you'll get it from the horse's mouth straight. This program is not going to be launched 3 months, 9 months, a year from now. This is next week. It's going to get started, and that's what we need right now. Some blockbuster, decent programs run by decent people that are inspired, that are connected with their own maker, and realize that we as humans can actually do pretty phenomenal work when we work together. By the way, you'll be able to pay with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Litecoin. You'll be able to pay with perfect money. So it'll have all the features of that you want to see in a decent program. The unique part is company forced matrix, straight line, everybody gets placed. So pretty fantastic potential, if you ask me. If you want to come check it out, and you know when you see a good thing that you have $50. If you haven't got $50 and you play that game of no, I don't have the money, please don't stay away, because that's baloney. You know all too well that if we go buy a car with $50, we're not going to come home with a car, are we? Or if you're going to go buy, you know, a little setup for your cat or your dog and you claim you don't have $50, then I think you're lying to yourself. So we're looking for the honest people that know if they have a good thing that they have $50 to allocate, and that at the same time that they can be rewarded and can be blessed with a phenomenal amount of profit and return in return. So that's it. That's my video. How about that? A 5-minute video. It doesn't happen too often. I hope you enjoy, and I hope to see you in my Telegram group. Thank you.